So here we have a compound or complex fraction. So the whole thing is a fraction, and then it's got fractions within that fraction. I'm going to use the least common denominator. So you look at all of the denominators, a 4, a 3x, and a 2, and find the least common denominator, which is going to have a 4 in it. You don't need an extra 2 because 4 already has a 2 in it. And then we also need a 3x. So if you multiply those, it's 12x. And then multiply the numerator and denominator by that 12x. Or in other words, multiply all 4 of these terms by the 12x. So the original problem had x over 4, then leave some space, 5 over 3x, a 1/2 minus an x. So now multiply all 4 of those by 12x. So multiplied by 12x and then simplify. So you'd have in this one the 4 dividing into the 12 3 times. In this one the x's will cancel, as well as the 3 will divide into the 12 4 times. Over here 2 will divide into 12 6 times. And this one, nothing cancels. So then for the numerator, this is no longer a fraction. This is just a 3 times an x, or 3x squared. And this is just the number 20. So plus a 20. Over here, we've got a 6 and an x, and then minus 12x squared. And if we use the least common denominator, there's going to be no more canceling at this point. That's going to be it. So notice, for example, a 3 will divide into there, and there, and there, but not there. So we can't do it. Can't divide by 3. As well as an x appears here, and here, and here, but not here. So once we use the least common denominator and simplify it, it's done.